Starting with the greatest name of Allah, most merciful and beneficent. I am Muhammad Abdullah Badr. It is a great privilege to be here and present a topic among you. My topic name is Sentence According to Structure. We will study the part 2. In part 2, we have 4 main categories. First, simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, and the last one, compound complex sentence. First, let's begin with the simple sentence. Simple sentence give us a positive and simple statement, and we have one subject, one object, and one verb on the sentence. For example, she is subject, cooks is verb, and food is object, and we always put a full stop or a period mark at the end of the sentence. Then compound sentence. In compound sentence, we have two independent clauses, and we always connect it by the help of coordinating conjunction. First, we have to study what is conjunction. Conjunction is a word that joins the two sentences. For example, bird. For bird, we connect two sentences, and in compound sentence, we join by a coordinating conjunction two independent clauses. And in coordinating conjunction, we have this structure: fan voice. F means for, A means and, N means nor, B means but, O means or, Y means yet, and S means so. We use this all in our sentence. For example, I wanted to go outside, but this is a coordinating conjunction. But we see here, it was raining, so this is also an independent clause, and this also an independent clause. We join it by the help of coordinating conjunctions. Then we have complex sentence. Complex sentence are those sentences which have a complex structure. For example, one independent clause we have and at least one dependent clause, in which we use the subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction are those conjunctions, except these conjunctions, all conjunctions are called the subordinating conjunctions. For example, because, although, when, if, since, etc. We have a lot of conjunctions. Now put this our scenario in our sentence. I stayed home because. This because are not coordinating conjunctions, they are subordinating conjunctions. So these are the subordinating conjunction we put here. It was raining. This is a complex sentence. I think you clear this all three types. Now go deeply on the compound complex sentence. Compound complex sentences are the mixture of compound sentence and complex sentence, in which we use two or more than two independent clauses and at least one dependent clause. It can be two or more than two. And there's a note that we always use coordinating and subordinating conjunction in both. Like if we write the two independent clauses, so with one we write coordinating conjunction, and the end with dependent we write the subordinating conjunction. For example, I wanted to go outside, but this is a coordinating conjunction. I stay inside because this because is subordinating conjunction. It was raining. Now we will review this all scenario. First, the simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, compound complex sentence. I sure that you have understand this all scenario about the according to sentence. Thank you so much.